I'm going to show you how to purl front and back. You probably learned to knit front and back when you learned to knit, but what happens if you're asked to purl front and back? First, let's do one purl stitch so you can remember what a purl stitch looks like. For purl stitch, I'm going to work into the front of the stitch from right to left, and then wrap the yarn over and then under the needle, and then pull it out to the back. So that's a purl stitch. So here we are, ready to purl front and back. To purl in the front, we go ahead and do that purl stitch and pull it out the back, but we don't drop this original stitch off the needle. Instead, we reach around with our right needle tip and go into this stitch from left to right, and I'm pulling it over here so you can see what's happening because it's a little bit tricky. Here's what it looks like when you look at it from this side. So I'm almost twisting this strand and it's a little tight. I purl this one as well, and then I pull it out through the back. So I've put 2 stitches in one stitch. That's a purl front and back. Let me do a couple of stitches continental style. So now I'm holding the yarn in my left hand. I'm going to purl. Let's purl a couple of stitches here. Now I'll do it this way. Go in, bring the yarn around, and pull it out the back. But do not drop this stitch off the needle. Instead, bring your needle tip around and go into the back loop of the stitch. Wrap your yarn around and pull it out. And you're going to have to figure out what that path is to get it out. I'll show you what it looks like from the other side, so you can see what's happening. Let me finish these 2 stitches. So what does that look like on the stockinette side? This was a knit front and back. You see the little bumps here. Here is my purl front and back. You see there's a little bump there and a little bump there. So it looks the same, but I did it on the purl side, or the reverse stockinette side. Here's what it looks like after I've knit another row. You can see those little bumps there a little bit more from when I did a purl front and back. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more instruction like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out the links in the video description for more ways you can find me. See you soon.